we wanted every time best of 5. Gusto talaga tayo makuha yung game 1. Ano nang gusto mong sabihin? Bye-bye guys. So, big sa amin to, no? But it's not guaranteed. Siyempre, mahaba yung series. We know San Miguel, veteran team. Alam nila gagawin after coming from a loss. So, we just have to be ready sa game 4. And I think for now, we really need the rest. Antok na si Astor eh. So, yun.
Scott, for you ba personally, tingin na exploit nyo na hurt si Junmar sa Leonard?
Well, as much as possible, no, hindi naman natin gusto yung may nasaktan na player, but sa amin, as much as makuha namin yung advantage na hindi healthy si Junmar, we'll take it and depende kung anong magiging game plan namin, but still, kahit hindi healthy si Junmar, it's very tough, no? Pag nakakita pa rin siya sa ilalim. So, a lot of respect pa rin sa kanya. So yun, sana yung adjustment tayo, tuloy-tuloy yung medium namin.
Sabi kanina ni Coach, sobrang nakapagod daw na 3 games in 5 days. Ngayon, medyo mahaba yung break ninyo, Wednesday.
Yeah, I think the key for us right now is yung very important sa amin yung mga PDs namin, trainers namin, kung talagang dapat manginig kami sa kanila, kung ano dapat namin gawin for recovery. So, sila yung crucial sa amin ngayon. And as much as possible, yung pinaka-healthy dito sa series na to, I think yung medyo mataas para na advantage sa mga kuha ng panalo. Ulok ka! Hala! It's okay. Sorry, say sorry. Sorry. Ano?
Wala ka nang pakalata yung yung hamstring mo ba yun? Ano ba?
Yeah, yun nga, medyo hindi rin healthy, no? But battling through it, semi-finals, playoff game. So, as much as possible, kung ano lang yung kaya kong maibigay sa team, talagang ibibigay ko pa rin 100%. But, yun.
Hamstring?
Yep. So, yep.
Kailan pa yan?
I think yung preparation na sa nung playoffs namin after ng quarterfinals. Okay na, say bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Bye-bye.
Kaya nga eh. Sorry, say sorry. Okay lang. Say sorry. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.